Hey guys, it's time for another Design Tip Tuesday, and if you haven't guessed by now, we're going to be talking about barn doors. We see them a lot when you're walking into an entryway. They're a great solution for a den style area where you don't have room to open up those doors or you don't want to block anything inside a room. A barn door or a door on a track is a really great idea. But the one thing you do have to consider is you do need a blank wall for this barn door to be able to open all the way to one side. So those are some things to take a look at in your floor plan. But another great area you can see barn doors at are master bedrooms or master bedroom baths. And we have an awesome solution with the bathrooms now is barn doors can come with a privacy lock so you don't have to worry about it in those areas. The other nice feature that these barn door tracks are coming with are some soft close. So if you had the barn doors in some children's retreat or in areas where you're a little afraid of traffic, no need to worry, you have a soft closed door now. And don't forget to take a look at that door style. You have so many different options. You can go from modern to farmhouse style to just the same style panel that's in the door for the rest of your house. And the really important feature is going to be that track. The tracks don't have to just be a plain black. We have brass, we have golds, we have silvers. There's so many different options. So we'd love to show you all of the great design features that you can really dress up your home with the barn door. You can come in our showroom. We can show you some great examples, and we have lots more to see on our YouTube channel, so please go ahead and subscribe.